Hello everyone! For today's video, I want to share my morning routine with you guys. This is my realistic routine that I do every morning. So first, I try to get up around 7:30 to 8 a.m. While waiting for my husband to finish in the bathroom, I check my socials. This helps me not to go back to sleep and wake up at noon. When he is done, I get up, I brush my teeth, and apply a very thick layer of sunscreen. My husband and I go get coffee and spend some time outside, which is why I apply a heavy layer of sunscreen. I'm using Then I Met You Essence Light Sunscreen. It is such a good sunscreen with hydrating benefits that I don't feel like I need to apply other products. It is also very lightweight. And yes, I don't wash my face because my brain isn't fully awake to do a skincare routine, and my husband has work, so there's no time for a full routine. Now I get dressed to head out to the coffee shop. We get our coffee from Phil's, and yes, we are basic Californians, but their coffee is so good. We get filtered soy with cream and sugar, the house way of course. This is the only way to get Phil's coffee, and their mojitos. We actually started doing this routine when Phil's Coffee opened close to us. We realized we don't go out since we both work from home, so this forces us to leave the house and allows us to spend some time together. I'm still half asleep at this point. I am not a morning person, so waking up early is really hard for me. When we arrive at Phil's, our coffee is waiting for us on a counter since we mobile ordered. After coffee, we usually go for a walk, but today we decided to sit and talk about what we're doing today and discuss some future plans. When I get back home, I write down everything I need to do for the day. I can't start my day without doing this because my mind is so cluttered and full of random thoughts running around in my head. This helps me get myself together. Once I am organized, I start my skincare routine. I brush my teeth again because I hate the taste of coffee in my mouth and I don't want my teeth to stain. Now I use Miso News Cleansing Milk. It contains retinol and squalene to improve skin texture, moisturize, and provide anti-aging properties. I like using this in the morning because of its milky texture and how moisturizing the product is. Next step is toner. I'm using Then I Met You Birch Milk Refining Toner. Not only is this toner hydrating, but it also has a touch of AHA and PHA to gently exfoliate my skin. This toner helps prevent breakouts for soft, supple, and clear skin. Vitamin C is a must in my routine, so I'm using Dr.Althea's Vitamin C Boosting Serum. It contains 20% vitamin C booster, which helps improve skin tone and restore the skin's natural glow by delivering a high level of vitamin C without causing any irritation. I have been using it for a couple of days now, and I notice a difference in my skin overall. Usually I don't use vitamin C if I'm using retinol, but retinol is gentle and my skin hasn't reacted, so I'm using it. I highly recommend adding vitamin C to your skincare routine. It has so many skincare benefits, so you're missing out if you don't have it in your routine. Next up is jumiso snail mucin 95 and peptide. I usually don't apply so many products in the morning, but the air is so dry that I like to layer a lot of hydrating products. Snail mucin is great for moisturizing, strengthening the skin barrier, and reducing fine lines. It is also lightweight, so even though I'm layering a lot of products, it doesn't feel like it is too much. For extra hydration, I apply Skin Food Carrot Keratin Moist Effector. This just adds extra moisture to my skin so the air doesn't suck up all the moisture out of my skin. Like I mentioned, it is so dry here, and sometimes I miss the humid weather in Korea because at least the humidity kept my skin nice and hydrated. And lastly, I apply Jumiso All Sun Airy Fit Daily Moisturizer with sunscreen. Since I applied layers of essence and serums, I like to keep my moisturizer and sunscreen simple. I like how this product is 2-in-1. It helps me cut a step into my skincare routine. It does everything a moisturizer does while protecting my skin. And as a bonus, there is no white cast. And that's everything I do in the morning. Now I'm going to apply makeup and annoy my husband. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video and comment to your favorite coffee shop. Subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!